My dear students, good morning. Today, the page that you are seeing on your screen, this is the class 7th English grammar. Today, I'm going to teach you kinds of verb. Chapter number 5th is this, and today I'm going to teach you about the kinds of verbs. Okay, so listen very carefully so that you can understand it well. How many kinds of verb you can say? Transitive verb, after that intransitive verb, okay, verbs of incomplete prediction are linking verb, okay. Note the use of verbs in the following sentences. You can see over here, the woman filled the pail with water, okay. The woman filled the pail with water. Number second sentence, you can see the soldiers filled their guns. He needed to play. And number four sentence, you can see people crowded to see the king. So all these are the four sentences over here. The woman filled the pail with water. The soldiers fired their guns. Number third, he kneeled to pray. And number fourth, people crowded to see the king. Okay. Other hand, you can use some more sentences. Number fifth sentence, you can say has gas and coal are fuels. He is a good runner. That dog looks dangerous. And number eight sentence, you appear well today. Okay. In sentences 1 and 2, the words filled and fired are the examples of transitive verbs. In sentences 1 and 2, the words filled and fired are the examples of transitive verb. These are the examples of transitive verb. Okay. So in this way you can understand that what is the transitive verb. So because number first sentence and number second sentence. So over here you can say the woman filled, okay, woman filled the pail with water. So water is the object. What is the object and the verb is the field. So verb have an object with it. You can say transitive verb. In the same sentence, in the next sentence also, the soldiers fired their guns. Fired, but what fired? Their guns. In this you can say this sentence also has a verb with it. So you can see that this is transitive verb. So number first and second, the words filled and the fired are the example of transitive verb. Any doubt? I think no. Okay. And after that, you will see that the woman filled what filled? The answer is pale. Okay. Well is the object of the verb filled. In this way, it will be an example of the transitive verb. After that, the soldier fired what? It means whenever you will find the answer of what, then you can say that this is, it means any sentence that have an answer that can have been answered in what, okay, then you can say that that is in you can say transitive verb. After that, over here you can see that the soldiers fired what? The answer is gun. In this way, you can say gun is the object of the verb fired. Thus, filled and fired are such words. Thus, filled and fired are such words that required an object to make the sense completed. Thus, filled and fired are such words that require an object to make the sense complete. Such verbs and what is written here? Such verbs called transitive verbs. Okay. After that, you can see the definition of it also. 1 minute. Above, and now you will understand that what is transitive. You can see above that require above that require an object to complete its meaning, or you can say sense, is called a transitive verb. यानी कोई ऐसी verb जो अपने सेंस को कंप्लीट करने के लिए उसको एक ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत पड़ती हो, यानी अपने साथ एक ऑब्जेक्ट रखता हो अपने सेंस को कंप्लीट करने के लिए, अपनी मीनिंग को कंप्लीट करने के लिए. In this way you can say that this is transitive verb. Okay. In sentences 3 and 4, knelt and crowded do not require an object to make the sense complete. We don't ask the question, she knelt, what are people crowded, what. Such verbs are called transitive verbs. Okay. And after that, so in sentences 3 and 4, needed and crowded do not require an object to make the sense complete. We don't ask the questions, she needed what, okay? Are people crowded what? Such verbs are called intransitive verb. कहने का मतलब क्या है? नंबर 3 और 4 सेंटेंस को अगर आप देखें, he needed to pray, इसमें what का आंसर नहीं है. He kneeled to pray and people crowded to see the king. What का आंसर है क्या? No. Whenever you will not find the answer of not, you can say that verb is in intransitive form. Okay. Good. After that you will see. Now examine the sentences 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. In these sentences, are, is, looks, and appear are neither transitive nor intransitive. तो ये जो वर्ब हैं जो 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th में यूज हुए हैं, वे न तो ट्रांसिटिव हैं और न तो intransitive हैं. They are called link or linking verbs. They are called link or linking verbs. If a transitive verb is followed by an object, if a transitive verb, if a transitive verb is followed by an object, a link verb is followed by a complement. Okay. If a transitive verb is followed by an object, अगर कोई transitive verb उसके साथ एक object लगाओ, क्योंकि transitive verb होगी तो object तो होगा ही. If a transitive verb is followed by an object, a link verb is followed by a complement. You can say number 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th sentence you can see from here, so that you can understand. 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. Gas and coal are fuels. Okay. Gas and coal are fuels. He is good runner. That dog looks dangerous. You are well today. These are the examples of linking verb. Okay. After that, you can say in the above sentences, the utilized words fuel, runner, dangerous, and well are all complements. All are the complements. A complement is related to the subject of the sentence. Related to the subject of the sentence. A link verb is called so because it links a subject and a complement. The complement describes or identifies the subject. Okay. बात समझ में एक नहीं. Listen once again. In the above sentences, so listen very first. You will see the first all sentences very first once again. You can say number 1 sentence. The woman filled the pail with water. Okay. So the woman is over here. You can say the woman filled the pail with water means you have an object with this. With these sentences, you have an object. Okay. And when any sentence have an object, or you can say when any verb have an object with it, you can say that this is in transitive, because it is a transitive verb, because it has an object with it. Okay. And number 4, third and fourth sentences, if you will see, these type of sentences have what they have. They have you can say they have no need of verb object. They have no need of object. He need to know, because over here we not find the answer of what. अगर हमको पता चलता है कि what, the soldiers fired, what fired, gun. So over here gun is an object of the verb. In this way, this is the example of, you can say, transitive verb. And other hand, third and fourth sentence are intransitive verb. Why they are you can say linking verb. कहने का मतलब इसमें इज एम, जैसे ध्यान से देखिए इसमें वर्ब क्या यूज हुआ है. इज, सॉरी, आर, इज, ओके, लुक्स एंड अपीयर. व्हेन दिस टाइप ऑफ वर्ब्स कम, लुक्स मीन्स आल्सो ही इज लुक. ओके. तो जब ऐसी वर्ब यूज होती हैं, ओके, टेंस से बाहर, इज, एम, आर, वाज, वर, उसके साथ आईएनजी तो यूज हुआ नहीं, यानी ये कंटिन्यूस का फॉर्म है नहीं, सिंपल सेंटेंस की बात कर रहा है. सो गैस एंड कोल आर फ्यूल्स. तो यहाँ जब इस वर्ब के साथ जो फ्यूल आता है, वो गैस एंड कोल है क्या, इसको लिंक करता है. ध्यान से देखिए एक बार फिर से. गैस और कोल को क्या कर रहा है, जैसे गैस एंड कोल दोनों हैं क्या, फ्यूल्स हैं, तो दोनों को लिंक कर रहा है. तो ये क्या हो गया, लिंकिंग वर्ब, और इसी को हम कम्प्लीमेंट भी कहते हैं क्योंकि ये कम्प्लीमेंट है, मतलब इस सेंटेंस को पूरा कर रहा है कि गैस एंड कोल आर क्या हैं, फ्यूल्स हैं. So over here it is completing the sense. It means it is a, and you can say it is a complement. So all are the complements: fuels, runner, dangerous, bell. Okay. So all these are the examples. And after that you have seen once again that a verb that requires an object to complete its meaning sense is called a transitive verb. In sentences 3 and 4, neat and crowded do not require an object to make a sense complete. We don't ask the question, she kneeled. What? Are people crowded? What? Such verbs are called intransitive verb. Now, in examine the sentences 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th, in these sentences are is looks and appear are neither transitive nor intransitive verbs. They are called link or linking verbs. If a transitive verb is followed by an object, a link verb is followed by a complement. And after that, you can see in the above sentences the utilized word, utilized मतलब जो टेढ़े छपे हुए हैं. Okay, the italicized words fuels, runner, dangerous, and well are all complements. A complement is related to the subject of the sentence. A link verb is called so because it links a subject and a complement. The complement describes or identifies the subject. A verb that does not require an object to make sense but makes good sense by itself is called an intransitive verb. Okay. So in the next video, I will tell you about the intransitive verb in detail. So I hope you have understand, because you have understood over here what is transitive verb, what is intransitive verb, and what is linking verb. Okay. So in this way you have understand it. Thank you, dear students.